Children throughout the world ask themselves and their families why from the moment that they can speak. Why is the sky blue? Why are there spots on the moon? Why do birds fly south for the winter? Whys are their simple yet profound way of exploring nature and the world. Science, innovation, and technology become their tools for doing something with this information, a means to turn their why into a what or how we might apply it. Imagine teenagers following this path and inventing Facebook, or a young woman paving the way for others to speak their mind. Success in our new globalized, rapidly changing world demands students to develop their capabilities beyond levels previously thought possible. In the midst of this challenging new world, the acronym STEM emerged. It was born from the need to move beyond the soiled disciplines of science, technology, engineering, and math to a mindset that supports children's greatest need. Tikkun Olam, the need to solve the world's grandest of challenges and help others as well. STEM draws on and celebrates the collaboration between creativity, design, innovative technology, science, engineering, mathematics, computational thinking, digital arts, agriculture, and so much more. To put STEM into practice requires a shift in current educational systems, focusing less on bits of information and more on putting it all together to solve problems. As a society, we need a new architecture supporting learning that extends beyond the classroom walls and engages the community. This is achieved through an ecosystem approach. An ecosystem approach brings together the entire community. From schools to after-school programs, museums and science centers to institutes of higher education, families and neighbors to industries, all working together, expanding what it means to educate their youth for an ever-changing world. Thriving STEM ecosystems promise effective leadership, 21st century competencies accessible to all children, collaborative values between workforce and education with a problem-solving mindset, both business and industry sectors approaching a specific community at local and national levels with a potential for growth, social mobility. Families who fund STEM learning find it fun and exciting. At TIES, Teaching Institute for Excellence in STEM, and in collaboration with our STEM and funding partners, we believe every young person should have access to a rich environment of connected, integrated STEM learning in and out of school. Yet socioeconomic, ethnic, gender, and other barriers prevent access to these opportunities. STEM for all, designed for each. Meet David, a STEM alumni. As an 8th grader growing up in Cleveland, David saw an ad for MC Squared, a high school that promised project-based work relevant to social skills, along with mastery of 21st century competencies. Times were tough in David's family. His pathway to life was uncertain. He added his name to the lottery and was accepted to the school. It took David 3 buses to reach the destination. He loved the capstone project approach, mastered mathematics a year ahead of the stated goals, and was a constant occupant of the STEM Digital Fabrication Lab. David and his family became homeless, and the school's principal took him into his family so he could finish school. After countless industry and business internships and 60 university credits, David graduated. He received the Bill and Melinda Gates Millennium Scholarship, was accepted to Harvard, and then employed at Microsoft. Today, David speaks globally about his experience, emphasizing the need for a strong STEM-focused education. STEM is intended for everyone, but designed for individuals. It is not just another educational program. Instead, it is an infrastructure that encourages children and young adults to play a role in advancing global development by solving real-world challenges. Helping children to make sense of the world ensures strong, socially responsible leaders for tomorrow. STEM for all, designed for each. Samueli Family Foundation, TIES, and their partners.